Guys, it's Iron Man from Iron Man Forex. Boom, 1K is too sweet. Let me show you guys. This is boom, 1K, and this is the profit. I want to show you my trading for today. Let me close my trades. Bam, closed. So I have $15. All these are the trades that I was opening. You can see. Let me arrange them. Profit at the bottom. The highest profit is $21, 21, 20, 15, 12, 12, 12, 10, 10, 7, 6, 6. And these are the losses. 27, 10. So now I'm in profit. $15 profit. $130 deposited. This $15 is good for the day. Sometimes you make losses and sometimes you make profits. So today I was testing Boom 1000. And you can see was making good profits there on Boom 1000. Let me see. $21, 21, 20, 15. These are good figures. These are very good figures. And at the end, I have this positive figure, which is $15 from 130. It's good amount, which is almost 10% of the amount. 15 into 130, it's almost 11% of the deposited amount. So today I will end here. I am now studying Boom 1000 and Crash 1000. And if you see, there are so many people who trade Boom and they place themselves. For Boom, I just place buy. When it goes down, when it is going down, I don't place any trade. So for Boom, and I only opened this step index and made $4.50. For Boom, I just place buy. And this is the step index again. And I made $21 on this one. But most of them, they are Boom trades. So this is it, guys. It's Iron Man from Iron Man Forex. And you can see with only $130, I managed to play with some trades, opening them, closing them. At one point, my capital left at $10 out of 130. And then I managed to raise it to 30, to 60, and then to 80, and boom, to 130, to $131. So this is where I am now. I deposited 130, and then I am still at 131. The reason being, this is zero spread. So $14 went to commissions. Zero spread. You just place a trade and it can be in profit right there. So I need to work for the profit now. I was enjoying that I have $15, not knowing that the $15 went to spreads or commissions. They don't charge spread, they just charge commissions. So this is what I was doing so far, testing Boom 1000. Let me go back to the drawing board and make the trade that can give me the profits. Now I want to trade using good money management. Do you have Deriv account? Are you trading Booms on weekends? Today is Saturday, 8 November 2025. If you are not yet trading these indices, the Booms and Crashes, simply go to the description section on YouTube and create your account today. Go to the bio section on TikTok and create your account today. Thank you so much. Good time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe or follow my channels. On Facebook, it's Iron Man Forex. TikTok, Iron Man Forex. YouTube, it's Iron Man Forex. Twitter, it's Iron Man Forex. Everywhere, it's Iron Man Forex. Just type Iron Man Forex and follow the pages. Thank you so much. Good time. Goodbye.